Hello students, in previous lecture you studied classification of polymers in number of ways. You also studied some important polymers like natural rubber and polythene. Today we will study some another important polymers. In that first one is Teflon. Chemically Teflon is polytetrafluoroethylene. The monomer used in preparation of Teflon is tetrafluoroethylene and the structure is CF2 double bond CF2, which is a gas at room temperature. Tetrafluoroethylene is polymerized by using radical initiators such as hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, or ammonium persulfate at high pressure. The reaction is as shown in figure. N times CF2 double bond CF2, that means N molecules of tetrafluoroethylene in presence of hydrogen peroxide undergo polymerization and there is formation of Teflon, that is CF2 N times. Properties of Teflon is Teflon is tough, chemically inert and resistant to heat and it is attacked by corrosive reagents. CF bond in Teflon is very difficult to break and remains unaffected by corrosive, alkali and organic solvents. Uses are Teflon is used in making non-stick cookware, oil seals and gaskets, etc. Classification of Teflon is based on source. Teflon is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, Teflon is linear polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, Teflon is addition polymerization. Based on intermolecular forces, Teflon is thermoplastic. Based on type of monomer, Teflon is homopolymer. And based on biodegradability, Teflon is non-biodegradable. Next important polymer is polyacrylonitrile, PAN. Shortly it is called as PAN. It is prepared by addition polymerization of acrylonitrile by using peroxide initiator. The reaction is as shown in figure. Acrylonitrile, that means N molecules of acrylonitrile CH2 double bond CHCN in presence of peroxide undergo polymerization and there is formation of polyacrylonitrile, that is CH2CHCN N times. The commercial name of polyacrylonitrile is Orlon or Acrylon. Properties are polyacrylonitrile has low density, it has thermal stability, high strength and modules of elasticity. Uses are polyacrylonitrile is used as an artificial wool in making blankets, sweaters, bathing suits, etc. It is used for making synthetic carpets. Classification of polyacrylonitrile is similar to that of Teflon. That means this polyacrylonitrile is based on source, it is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, it is linear polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, polyacrylonitrile is addition polymerization. Based on intermolecular forces, it is thermoplastic. Based on type of monomer, it is homopolymer. And based on biodegradability, it is non-biodegradable. Now we have to study another important polymer, which is polyamide polymer. These polymers are generally known as nylons. Nylon is the generic name of the synthetic linear polyamides obtained by the condensation polymerization between carboxylic acids and diamines. The self-condensation of an amino acid or by the ring opening polymerization of lactams. Polyamides contain CONH group as the inner unit linkages. Two important polyamide polymers are nylon 6 and nylon 6,6. Let us study first nylon 6. When epsilon caprolactam means E caprolactam is heated with water at high temperature, it undergoes ring opening polymerization to give polyamide polymer called as nylon 6. Reaction is as shown in figure. N molecules of epsilon caprolactam, that is ring structure, CONH, CH2, 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 5 times. This on heating in presence of water and at high temperature undergo ring opening polymerization and gives a open structure NHCH2 5 times CO whole in N times, that is nylon 6 is obtained. The name nylon 6 is given on the basis of 6 carbon atoms present in monomer unit. It is also called as Perlon L. Properties of nylon 6. Nylon 6 are crystalline, having bright colors. They do not dissolve in organic solvent. They show resistance to dilute acids and bases. They have good tensile strength. Uses of nylon 6. Nylon 6 is used for manufacture of tire cords, fabrics, fish nets, brushes and ropes. Secondly, we will study about nylon 6,6. The monomer adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine on mixing forms nylon salt. This nylon salt upon condensation polymerization at high temperature and high pressure gives nylon 6,6. The reaction is as shown in figure. N molecules of adipic acid, that is COOH, CH2 4 times COOH, mixed with N molecules of hexamethylene diamine, that is NH2, CH2 6 times NH2. They are mixed together and there is formation of nylon salt having structure as shown in reaction. This nylon salt at high temperature and high pressure loses water molecule and undergo condensation polymerization. There is formation of nylon 6,6 having structure CO, CH2 4 times, CONH, CH2 6 times, NH and hold this molecule N times. The number 6,6 stands for the number of carbon atoms present in monomers, that is in adipic acid and in hexamethylene diamine. As both contains 6 carbon atoms each, the product is called as nylon 6,6. Properties of nylon 6,6 are: nylon 6,6 has high molecular mass, that is about 12,000 to 50,000 microns. It is linear condensation polymer. It possesses high tensile strength. It does not soak in water. Uses of nylon 6,6. It is used for making sheets, bristles for brushes, surgical suitures, textile fabrics, etc. Classification of nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 is given as: based on source, nylon 6 is synthetic polymer and nylon 6,6 is also synthetic polymer. Based on structure, nylon 6 is linear polymer as well as nylon 6 is also linear polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, nylon 6 is ring opening polymerization while nylon 6,6 is condensation polymerization. Based on intermolecular forces, both nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 are fibers. Based on type of monomers, nylon 6 is homopolymer and nylon 6,6 is heteropolymer. Based on biodegradability, both nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 are non-biodegradable. Now, next important polymer is polyester. The polyester polymers have ester linkage joining the repeating units. Commercially, the most important polyester fiber is terylene, and this terylene is also called as Dacron. It is obtained by the condensation polymerization of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid in presence of catalysts like zinc acetate, antimony trioxide at high temperature. The reaction is as shown in figure. N molecules of ethylene glycol, that is OH CH2 CH2OH, mixed with N molecules of terephthalic acid having structure COOH, benzene ring with COOH. Both compounds undergo condensation polymerization at high temperature, give rise to terylene or Dacron having structure OCH2CH2 OCO with benzene ring CO N molecules. Now, properties of terylene. Terylene has a relatively high melting point, that is about 265 degrees Celsius, and it is resistant to chemicals, water, heat, grease, high moths, bacteria, etc. Uses of terylene. It is used in the manufacture of wash and wear fabrics. When terylene is blended with cotton to form terrycot, and when terylene is blended with wool to form terry wool. Terrycot and terry wool are wrinkle-free fabrics. They increases their resistance to wear and tear. Another trade name of polyester is PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET, which is used for making many articles like bottles, jams packaging containers, etc. Polyester is used in preparation of fishing nets, ropes, trousers, magnetic tape recorders, tires, and also used as glass reinforcing materials in safety helmets. Classification of terylene is similar to that of nylon 6,6. That means, based on source, terylene is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, terylene is linear polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, terylene is condensation polymerization. Based on intermolecular forces, terylene is fiber. Based on type of monomer, terylene is heteropolymer, and based on biodegradability, Terylene is non-biodegradable. Thank you.